Every great journey begins with a single step. For Alex, that step started in the hallways of junior high school, young, uncertain, and full of unspoken dreams.
Jerry, nabilisan mo na, baka malate ka na naman.
Oo ma, sandali lang.
Class, please review your papers because some of you need to work harder.
Diyan, kabila. Anong score mo? Huwag mo nang alamin. Bro, same tayo. Pero kaya natin to. Mag-aral tayo mamaya. Sige na nga. Jello, bakit ka napapagod? Matalino ka naman. Matalino ako sa ibang bagay. Sa math, tutulungan kita.
Bakit gising ka pa?
May exam kami bukas man. Natatakot akong hindi pumasa.
Ang alam mo, hindi ako nakapagtapos ng pag-aral dahil kailangan kong tumigil para sa lolo at lula mo. At ayaw ko rin maranasan mo yun.
Pero ma, paano kung hindi lang talaga ako matalino?
Smart is not something you're born with, anak. Smart is something you become by not giving up. Promise me, you won't give up.
I promise, ma. Uy, tapos na tayo sa junior high school. Sa senior high school na tayo. Oo nga, saan ka mag-aaral? Hindi ko pa alam. Ikaw? Hindi ko pa rin alam, pero kaya natin yan.
Jerry, same school pa rin tayo?
Nagulat ako dahil nandito ka. Anong strand mo?
Yos, dahil gusto ko mag-journalism ikaw.
ABM kasi gusto kong maging businessman someday.
Wow, businessman na si Jerry, no?
Good morning, class. Welcome to senior high school. You are pioneers, the first full generation to go through this program. Some of you are here because of you want to be. Some of you are here because your parents told you to be. Either way, you are here. And what you do to win this time will define what comes next.
Senior high school was the first time I felt like my choices actually mattered. The strand I picked, the projects I led, the person I was becoming. It was all me. Relax. Hatiin natin. Sa'yo yung intro, sa akin yung conclusion. Kumusta ka talaga? Mukha kang pagod na pagod. Totoo, minsan naiisip ko kung tama ba yung path na pinili ko. Ganyan, pero tignan mo, hindi ka pa rin umalis. Hindi pa.
Proud of you.
Ma, this is just the beginning. May college pa.
Alam ko, kakayanin mo yan.
Miss, alam mo ba kung nasan yung room 204?
Nandun, oh.
Name.
Alex.
Bakit ka na late?
Sorry po sir, first time ko pa lang po kasi.
Alex, no one accepts sorry as a lesson for being late. So sit down, don't let it happen again.
Hello Marco. I failed my midterm exam. Ano? Seriously? I studied, I really did, but the exam was different from everything I reviewed. Parang minsan hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa ko dito.
Are you thinking of stopping?
Minsan.
Alex, wag. Nandoon ka na. Wag mo sayangin lahat ng pinaghirapan mo.
Hello ma'am. I'm thinking of stopping. Maybe I'm not cut out for this.
Alex, listen to me. How many times have you wanted to give up before? And grade 8. In senior high school.
Dami.
And did you
No.
know? Then don't now. You don't come this for to only come this for.
Alex, can I speak with you after class?
Yes sir, you can.
Your proposal is one of the thought out submission I've received in years. Have you considered joining the business plan competition?
Sir, I don't think I'm ready.
No one ever thinks they're ready, Alex. But remember, this isn't a feeling, it's a decision. Submit your name and see what happens.
Hello Marco. Alam mo ba second place ako?
Second place, Alex.
Hindi ako makapaniwalang nangyari yon.
May pasok ka bukas?
Wala pa ma, naghahanap pa rin.
So, Alex, tell me about yourself.
I'm a graduate of business administration during college. I joined internship, led a team in a business competition where we placed second and completed a thesis on financial literacy for small businesses. I've failed more times than I can count, but every single time I got back up.
Do you want to work here?
Because I don't want a job. I want to grow. I want to be somewhere that challenge me. And I believe this company does that. Is it that obvious?
Hey, we all had one. I'm Rio.
I'm Alex. Hello, ma. Okay, ma. Sobrang okay.
Nag-proud ako sa'yo, anak.
Ikaw ang dahilan, ma, kung bakit ako narito. Ikaw lagi.
I was one a scared kid in junior high who failed his quizzes and hid his paper so no one would see. I was a senior high student who stayed up until 2 in the morning finishing group work and wondering if any of it would matter. I was a college student who cried alone and almost walked away from everything. But I didn't, and if you are watching this and you are tired, I want you to know that tired is okay. Tired means you are trying. The road is long, the road is hard, but you don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to take the next step. Whatever grade you are in, whatever struggle you are carrying, keep going. Your story isn't finished yet.